In a world full of cars, buses, and bicycles, finding a mode of transportation that stands out can be a challenge. But what if I told you there's something that combines the best of a bike and a scooter, offering a fun and eco-friendly way to zip through the city? Meet the Halfbike. This isn't just another bike, it's a revolution in urban commuting. Whether you're looking to add some excitement to your daily routine or searching for a greener way to travel, the Halfbike could be exactly what you need. So, what exactly is a Halfbike? Imagine a tricycle, but with a twist. The Halfbike features two smaller wheels in the front and a larger wheel in the back, designed to give you a different riding experience. Instead of sitting, you stand upright, using your core and legs to balance and steer. It's like walking, but faster and way more fun. One of the standout features of the Halfbike is its portability. Weighing just around 20 pounds, it's easy to carry and can fit into small spaces, making it perfect for city dwellers. But the real magic happens when you're riding it. The unique steering mechanism engages your core muscles, offering a full-body workout while you commute. And because it's human-powered, you can feel good about reducing your carbon footprint while getting from point A to point B. Riding a Halfbike is simple, but it does require a bit of practice. You start by standing on the platform, holding the handlebars with a firm grip. To move, you push off like you would on a scooter, but once you're rolling, you'll notice the balance and steering are much more dynamic. Lean into turns, and use your body weight to control your direction. It might take a few tries, but once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly intuitive. The Halfbike is for anyone who wants to make their commute more exciting and efficient. It's especially great for those living in dense urban areas where space is limited. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking to add a bit of adventure to your daily routine, the Halfbike is worth considering. So, is the Halfbike the future of urban commuting? It just might be. With its unique design, portability, and eco-friendly nature, it's a fresh take on how we move through our cities. Ready to try it out? Check the link in the description for more details and where you can get your own Halfbike.